We'll guide you through how to link notes capacities. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click the application icon and wait for the program to load completely before continuing with this tutorial. If you want to switch to a different workspace, click the current space name in the upper left corner. For this example, select the 𝗟𝗹𝗏 space from the available spaces. Next, open the daily note that you created earlier for this tutorial. This note will be used to demonstrate how to create links between notes and different objects and capacities. After reviewing the note, close the note window so you can prepare the required objects. Click the plus icon to add a new object type from the left sidebar menu. From the available options, select images from the list of available object types provided. Then click the Add Object Type button. Click the New button, then choose Select File. Browse your computer, select an image that matches the content of your note, and click Open. Once the upload is complete, rename the object to Cafe. Next, click Images again, click the new object, and select File once more. Choose another image from your computer, then click Open to upload it. Rename the second image object to Watch. Before continuing, verify that both image objects have been added successfully and appear in the Images object list. Now click Daily Notes and open the previous note that you created earlier. Find the word Watch in the text and delete it. Type the @ symbol to display the available objects. Then select the Watch object from the list. Next, locate the word Cafe in the same note and delete it. Type the @ symbol again and select the Cafe object from the available list. The inserted objects will now appear as links inside your note, and these links are connected directly to their corresponding objects, making them easy to access whenever needed.